Is your website helping families find the support they need, or could it be turning them away? In hospice care, your website is one of the most important tools for building trust and connecting with families. I'm Brian France from Hospice Care Marketing, and today I'll share why your website content might be losing leads and how to fix it. First, let's talk about messaging. Families looking for hospice care want clarity and compassion. If your website's message is unclear or overly complicated, it can confuse visitors and lead them to leave. Make sure your content speaks directly to families with straightforward and empathetic language. Another common issue is missing or weak calls to action. If visitors don't know what to do next, they're unlikely to take action. Include clear, compassionate calls to action, CTAs or calls to action throughout your website, like schedule a consultation or we're here to help, contact us today. Your website's layout also plays a big role. If information is hard to find or poorly organized, families may get frustrated and leave. Use clear sections, headings, and navigation to make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of emotional connection. Families want to feel supported and understood. Share testimonials, use warm photos, and write content that highlights compassionate care your agency provides. Your website should be a powerful tool for connecting with families and growing your hospice agency. If you'd like help optimizing your content and turning visitors into leads, call us or schedule a free consultation today. Let's create a website that builds trust and drives action.